Your contacts are some of the most important information in your Google account, so creating a backup is always a smart idea. Whether you're switching devices, protecting against accidental deletion, or simply keeping a copy for peace of mind, this tutorial will show you how to back up your Google Contacts step by step. First, open your web browser and go to Google Contacts. Sign in with the Google account that contains the contacts you want to back up. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see your complete contact list. Next, decide whether you want to back up your entire contact list or only selected contacts. You can check individual contacts or choose to export everything at once. Now click the Export option from the menu on the left side. A window will appear asking which contacts you'd like to export and which file format you want to use. You'll usually see several export formats available. Google CSV is ideal if you plan to restore your contacts back into Google Contacts. Outlook CSV is designed for Microsoft Outlook, and vCard is commonly used for Apple devices and many other contact applications. After choosing your preferred format, click Export. So your contacts will be downloaded as a file to your computer. Store that file somewhere safe, like an external drive or secure cloud storage, so it's available whenever you need it. Finally, check that the exported file has been saved successfully. Having a recent backup makes recovering your contacts much easier if you ever lose data or move to a new device. And that's it. You now know how to back up Google Contacts. Creating regular backups is one of the easiest ways to protect your important contact information. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.